How to manifest and attract money. One morning I was asking myself how to manifest money. My wonder was related to the law of attraction. Bob Proctor said, "Money is unconsciousness and it must be earned." This statement made me to think we have to pay attention to our subconscious mind. Analyzing the aforementioned statement, we can say the manifestation of money is gave by our inner mind. Learning how to manifest and attract money is just a process of thinking and believing. The law of attraction states that we attract what we strongly believe. We are what we think we are. Our beliefs will become things because any action has a reaction. Nothing is resting. It goes up or down. This is how our brain works. The brain never rests, not even when we sleep. It is continuously working. So, in order to know how to manifest anything we want, we need to access our subconscious mind. We have to be present of what we really think. Did you know when we walk on the street, the brain registers everything? It keeps only the information based on our past experience. The psychologists say the hippocampus is erasing every other information the brain do not recognize in the next 20 seconds. This is why we attract and manifest only what we have in mind. So, if we want to learn how to manifest and attract money, the first thing we can do is to upgrade our mind. I am going to ask you some questions in order to imagine the entire manifestation process. What kind of thoughts we need to have in mind in order to manifest money? Where do we get the ideas to create the thoughts? How to manifest the thoughts? Probably you heard that your income is equal with your best friend's income average. That means you have almost the same thinking with your friends. It could be small differences. I am not suggesting changing your friends, but if you want to manifest more money, you have to make other friends too. Our friends and family have a big influence on our decisions. They always give us good advices. They have a big influence on our life, even we do not listen them. I remember the first thing I did was to accept that everything is possible and the only truth we have is our belief. There is no truth. It is just an illusion. Money is just an illusion we bring to reality. We have to think in abundance. We need to accept the money is in abundance in our universe. Our duty is to learn how to manifest them. We can read business and personal development magazines and books. We can participate at the business and mind development courses. This is the way we can set up our mind and earn the necessary trust in order to manifest anything. The manifestation of our thought comes when we strongly believe we are able to make money. We just need to take the necessary actions. The link in the description below is giving you the tools you need to be aware and present at your subconscious and make the law of attraction works for you. If you like the effectiveness in manifest money, check it out. Please like, share, comment and press the subscribe button and show some love. Thank you.